Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit your resume in Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and hover your mouse over your profile icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and profile management. From this menu, click on Behance Profile. This action will take you directly to your personal Behance profile page where you can view and modify all your professional information. Once you're on your profile page, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find various navigation options. Click on Edit Profile Info to access the editing interface. This is where you'll be able to update all aspects of your resume and professional presence on Behance. The first section you'll encounter is Basic Information. Here you'll want to fill in your first name and last name in the respective fields. These are essential details that help others identify you on the platform. Next, input a headline that represents your professional identity or specialty, along with your current company name. This gives viewers an immediate sense of who you are and what you do professionally. After that, edit your location and city to ensure your geographic information is accurate. This helps potential clients or collaborators understand where you're based. You also have the option to add a website URL if you have a personal portfolio site or professional webpage you'd like to showcase. Now scroll down to expand your professional background. You'll see an option to click Add Work Experience. When you click this, a new section will open up. Click Add Work Experience again to begin entering your employment details. Input the company name and website URL, followed by your location and city. Then enter your job title and specify the dates you worked there by filling in the starting from and ending in fields. You also have space to add details about your role and responsibilities, which helps provide context about your experience. Once you've completed all the relevant information, click Add Work Experience to save it. Behance also allows you to showcase other aspects of your professional journey. You can click Add Education to include your academic background, add awards to highlight any recognition you've received, add language to list the languages you speak, add your skills to showcase your technical and creative abilities, and include your personal statement to give viewers insight into your professional philosophy. After you've added all your work experience and credentials, you can go back to the main profile editing area. Here you'll find options to connect your social media accounts, which helps create a comprehensive online presence. You can also add a description in the About Me section, which is your opportunity to tell your professional story in your own words. Additionally, Behance allows you to add links to your other work, projects, or relevant websites. And that's it. You've successfully updated your resume on Behance, creating a professional profile that showcases your experience, skills, and creative work. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.